Hey, hello, policing for our community friends. This is Officer Gadram, Logan Police, sitting here in my car. Just started shift. Figured maybe you guys would like to see how we use the radar units in the cars. A lot of people always have questions about them. They ask me about them. They're really fairly simple to use. It's not this big huge problem to try to get these things to work like a lot of people assume. The ones that we use usually mounted on the front dashboard. There's a antenna right here, and then there's also one in the back of the car so we can get speed readouts of people behind us. When we check these, really we just you gotta just turn it on first, and you'll see that it's got some readouts that it runs through, and it does a few tests on its own here. So I'll show you that. We're going to power it on. You'll see that it's going to cycle through. It's going to do some checks. It's going to make sure everything's working as far as the LEDs. And it's passed all of that. Right now it's in the moving mode, so I'm going to put it in stationary mode. Okay. Then we use this little hand controller here to turn on which antenna we want to use, either the front or back. Put it in standby mode. We can lock in the speed. We got the same direction or fastest speed lock. So those are the buttons that are on the unit. And then to check it, because we really don't calibrate them, we check them for calibration at the beginning of shift if we're going to use it. What I'll do is I'll come down, turn on that cone, and then we take these tuning forks, and this one here is going to give us a readout of 35. Okay. We take this tuning fork, it's going to give us a readout of 65. Okay, so that shows us that it's reading just fine. There's one more check that we do, and I really can't show it to you very easily. So let's see if I can set this over here. See if it works. We'll take both of them, and then we're going to put this, we still have the front cone selected. We're going to put it into the moving mode, and then we put them both together, and it gives us a reading of 30 and 35. Then we put it back forward, tighten it up. Now the radar unit's ready to use for patrol, and it's really that simple. It's not that hard. When a car comes, I'll put this thing back on and show you, just how easy it is to clock a vehicle that's coming at us. So I'll be back with you after a bit.